Fitment compatible with 0405 Honda Civic DX Sedan, 0405 Civic HX Coupe. Easy installation, no drilling or any other modification needed, convenient to replace old and worn fog lights. Function: enhance visibility during nighttime, heavy rain, snow, or dense fog. Also bring a different appearance to vehicle that's great for show use or to replace old and worn fog lights. Package comes with pair of fog light, bulbs, wiring switch, uses H11 bulbs. Fog lights are usually a factory option, and provide great auxiliary lighting to complement the headlights. Fog lights are especially useful in adverse conditions such as rain, snow, and fog, when visibility is significantly reduced. Fog lights mount to factory predetermined areas on the bumper where they look the best and do not sacrifice aerodynamics. Top reviews from the United States. I am very happy this product. DNA motoring. Good quality bumper fog light. I really recommend this product. To my all best friend in Montreal.